I'm going to show you how to create partition in Windows 10. So go to search and type File Explorer. Click here to open it. Right click on this PC and click on Manage. Now in Computer Management, expand Storage. Then click on Disk Management. Now these are currently drives in my system. Right click here and click on Shrink Volume. It will take some time. Now here allocate a space to shrink. Then click on Shrink. You can see unallocated space here. Right click on it. Click on this option. Then click on Next. Now allocate space here. Click on Next. You can assign any drive later. Click here to choose it. Now click on Next, then Next, and then finish the process. You can see new drive is created, but if you want to delete it, then right click on it and click on Delete Volume. If you want to take backup, then select S. Now again right click on it and click on Delete Partition. Then click on Yes. Now to extend the another drive space, right click here, click on Extend Volume, click on Next, OK. Now click on Next and finish it. That's it guys, close all windows, you're good to go.